And welcome to another Vegetable Dice. On this Vegetable Dice, I'll be opening up YuGioh Ghost from my past box. There's about 3 packs in it, so hopefully I've hit something decent out of this, hopefully. So let's open this up. Let's open up this little bad boy dice. So how we call it, it needs to put the tape on it. Yes, that's one side done. Open it up. Yes. Oops. That. Put the back out. Okay. Put this over there. Okay. I would say open up this one first. Leave top nutrition for last. So hopefully I get something good. Are you ready, guys? Okay. Electric Sun Dragon Overlord of Aeropolis. Mask Saints 2. Mist Valley Baby Walk. Splash Mage. Electric Seal of Heavenly Spheres. Okay. Okay. So first one now. Hopefully, please be something good. Hopefully. Okay. Metal Force Counter. That's like the Cosmo Tenkan Actor. It looks like R2D2 to me a little bit. I don't know why, but it does. Evil Thorn. Metal Tops Full Flame. And Red Supernova Dragon. That's okay, I think, maybe. Okay, come on. Art of Darts. Come on, please be something good. Please be something good. Come on. Okay. So, Cosmo Dark Lady. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Artifact Durandal. Yeah. Ultramar Chantry. Sun Fallon Brun. And Electric Shield of Heavenly Spheres again. Okay. Okay. I think to be fair, I don't really probably won't even use him in any attack probably. To be fair, I'll put that's me. But I might do at some point. But from first glance it would be a no. But I need to actually look him up more and read him more to see if there actually are any decent or any prospects of putting into a tech or something like that. So yes. So yeah, I think the fat back opening of it also from my past, it was okay. I think nothing as far as from top of my head, nothing massive was in it, as far as I know. But yes, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody.